So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty. Today we are going to be looking at a very beautiful transformation. Babes, we are looking at this. Well, she is way over 50. Like, she has grandkids, and one of our grandchildren is about 7, 8 years old. So babe, she really is like really old, but she has like a fairly good skin. So babes, I just went forward. I just went um into my Fit Me HD foundation, and it really looked good with our skin. So babes, just blended with my foundation brush, and babes, so our skin is like kind of like a little dry. First of all, we are in a dry season already, and it's December. So I went into spraying her face. So babes, I sprayed and moisturized her face before we added the foundation, which I forgot to mention. And next, I also primed her face. So babes, I am just going into my LA Pro Stick Concealer, and I'm blending that out. I went into a lighter shade, and I'm just blending that out. So babes, like I always say, when blending, try to blend as much as possible. Make sure it is like blended to the skin, it's a skin like and all. So next, I'm going into my Fora concealer, and I'm just going to. So babes, of course, she has like so much wrinkle noise on her face, babes. So she requested that her face does not change too much. She actually wanted a simple natural makeup. It is the reason why I did not mask her face, one, and the reason why two, I did not go into like very thick layer of foundation. I could have gone with 2 or 3 layers of foundation to hide every blemishes in her face. But babes, because she already pre-requested that her face remains normal, so I had to like just keep it calm, keep it cool, and so babes, next I'm just going to set her face. So babes, um I went into um my passion powder to set the highlight of her face. So guys, of course, if you have been following me, you would notice that this has been a newfound love of mine. Passion powder, it is translucent, it is cheap, and I feel like it sets so well. Although it is not really what I use every time. Sometimes I go into so I just went into my my black opal powder to set the highlights. So babes, in one of my previous videos, I actually did explain the reason why I like to set the whole of the face. Due to the pandemic, we had to like wear nose mask everywhere. So guys, when you set the whole face and not just the highlights, it helps your makeup to stay put there for 24 hours all day long. And when you wear a nose mask, your makeup is going nowhere. So babes, next I'm setting our brows to just move forward. So as per our request, I could not trim our brows the way I wished, but of course nothing stops you from getting a good brow from a bad swell. So you know what the saying is, if life throws you a lemon, make lemonade. So babes, this is just what I did. So I get some clients whereby they say, I don't want my brows trimmed. I want to remain normal after the makeup, my normal self. And I have some clients who say, I don't mind. So babes, of course, you should always respect the wishes of your clients. It's their face, it's their body, it's their brows, it's their whatever it is, it's theirs. So babes, like, that's just my own philosophy of life about makeup, sha. So next, just brushing the brows. And so I actually did go into concealer with the brows, but as much as possible I tried to keep it simple. So just like the rest of the makeup babes, she of course requested that I keep it simple. So as much as possible I tried, really tried keeping everything I did on her face simple. So I'm just going into a really simple, less sparkly eyeshadow for her. I just want something that is like dark and close to her skin, and yes, not really, you know, not really too dark, like something that won't show. So babes, next I'm going into my green tea palette, and I'm just like finishing off the face, blending the contour and the highlights to give one face, removing lines of demarcation, and babes, giving it a finish touch. So just like bring the face close, and so babes, I actually kind of darkened contour a bit after this, after finishing the face, babes. So I'm just bringing everything together as one, nothing serious. So as much as we tried keeping it cool, I actually did love the end products. Of course, you already have seen the end products. Like, the look was, it was wow. The look was, it came out nice. It came out nice, and I actually was not really trying to like hide our blemishes and all, but well, they were hidden. And one thing I really did love about this is that the makeup did last for a very long time. Like, I went to see her in the evening, and her makeup was still pinging. It was like still on point, it was still there. Where you want be? So babes, that is the power of setting. So babes, whenever you're hard doing your makeup, please always try to set really, really, really well. When you set well, it goes. So I'm just adding highlights from the same palette and blush. So babes, I'm not one fan for blush, so I usually try to keep my blush like really, really light. Like, come on guys, black women don't blush, of course. So but I just usually try to keep my blush like really, really, really light. I just blushed her forehead and all, and I'm just highlighting underneath her brows. So I actually honestly had issues with the brows. So this is my favorite part. So babes, the lips. I love the outcome of the lips. I love the ombre. I feel like lips, babes. I know, like, I feel like lips, babes, are like my specialty, and I love the way the lip came out. I just love the way the lips came out. To be honest, I really do. So, babes, if you notice, like, I'm just like taking my time with the lips. Bum 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 bum. Or maybe we should fast forward. So I went into a purple lipstick to like outline her lips, and I went into a nude. I think I should call this like cream peach. Yes, it is peach. A peach colored lipstick for the inner crease, for the inner ombre. Sorry, I'm so sorry. For the inner ombre, and then I went back into the excess lipstick from the edges to like blend together and all. So babes, of course we did this makeup in our village here in Ogun State, Nigeria. So please, please, please do not mind the background and all. So I picked each at every ombre lines singularly. I just like blended the whole lips together. So like I mentioned earlier, babes, it is dry season and our lips were actually dry. So left to me, I wanted to leave our lips like matte, but then I decided since our lips were already breaking, the gloss would bring it together. So I actually then added lip gloss to our lips to, keep the lip together, and like just keep it from falling apart. And I love the outcome. So babes, I just went forward to highlight you know our nose ridge, our nose bridge and all. So guys, I came back into my eyeshadow because I tried lining her eyes, but she kept on blinking, and well, long story cut short, it's got well. So babes, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like it, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also babes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. Till babes, if you actually have a request for another video like this or a video concerning makeup, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Till we meet again, I remain your girl, Fehinbeauty.